It's almost 11:30. We just landed at Agatti Island of Lakshadweep. This is the only place where flight connectivity is available from rest of India. The direct flight from Kochi to Agatti and Bangalore is also connected from here. The only island connected with air connectivity, and now you can see the view of that Agatti Island. Not very huge, but still it's approx 5 to 6 kilometer in length and approx somewhere 1 and somewhere half kilometer in width, surrounded by sea all around, and it's very beautiful island, Agatti. Now we are going to Bangaram from this Agatti Island. Bangaram is also another unique and beautiful island. Wow, very beautiful. All around sea, all around huge seasides and the Agatti Island, and further we can see the boat by which we are traveling towards Bangaram. Beautiful island. This is called the ocean actually, Arabian Ocean, because we have entered in huge distance, the large distance from Agatti, and now these are the streams or waves, like streams in Arabian Sea. In the boat going from Agatti to Bangaram, this is a boat. Basically, most of the journey between the islands in Lakshadweep being carried out by ships or boats only. The only island connected with the air is Agatti. All around there is sea.
This side.
We left Agatti behind and
See,
we are able to see
this side.
that is Agatti behind, and that is Bangaram.
See. See there. The boat is jumping,
Boat is
shaking.
shaking due to waves.
I
Or not only shaking, it's just
you can sit on the chair.
moving up and down, very high and low.
I will.
See, the color of water is very clean and beautiful.
I'm flying and we are watching all now.
Completely blue water,
What is like this?
and the high tides ahead. Good far away distance, lot of dolphins are there. They're jumping, and family of dolphins in a group, and it is, I think, more than 15 numbers. Fins, very good fins. It is very near to us. Very, wow, whoa,
Auntie, इसको खाने का
Pura family. To reach at Bangaram Island. On behind us, it is Bangaram Island. It took 1 hour plus to reach here from Agatti.
And look at the color of the sea.
Just see the cleanliness of this sea.
It's greenish.
Very beautiful greenish water.
And the island in the background, we can see the complete island from here.
Very beautiful view of island.
And this is like a heavens on earth. And on this, you're going to have the Taj Hotel tents stay. Very restricted island. Very few people are allowed to get permits to visit this island.
Very beautiful island, and that is Tinigara Island, that one. That is also very beautiful and very near to this.
This boat took around 1.5 hours to take us here.
We-
From Agatti to Bangaram.
Very beautiful island. This is Bangaram Island. Basically, you are seeing in the background, and you can see the color of sea. This is green, means not very deep, and this is blue, this is very deep. This is the difference of color shows the depth of sea. We should avoid to enter in blue color sea, and we can enjoy in green color sea because it is not so deep and easily you can enjoy there. We came across where both sides sea are connecting and friction between each other and waves arises. We enjoyed a lot. You can see the boats, and all around we walked all around the island. It is very mesmerizing, beautiful island, Bangaram, Lakshadweep. Beautiful point at Bangaram, Lakshadweep. These are the coconut trees and very beautiful point where Honorable PM Modi ji visited and did his yoga meditation just few meters ahead across the trees towards sea. This is the entry point to Bangaram Island. When you come from Agatti by boat, you will arrive here and you will be received here by Taj Hotels person, and you will enter from this point, and these are the tentage property. Wooden cottages are also there.
So friend,
And
I have
this
just
is
entered.
on the bank of the beach, just on the bank of the sea.
And then here I can catch the
is
ship
the boat.
also, the boat also.
You come
So from there I have come up to the dockyard point where I can get into the boat. There's a boat, complete boat in my vicinity. Here. Full boat. So they are interesting, like people have their own boats and personal boats also here. Like the way we have our own personal cars. Wading through the sea and enjoying at Lakshadweep, Bangaram Island.
It's ready to see the beauty of Bangaram Island, where we sat after coming from Taj Hotel. This is the mesmerizing view, sun rising. These are 2-3 more islands, mini islands near to Bangaram, where visits are possible through ferries and boats. And this is the beach. You can walk here and you can see the whole view of the sea. This is the sandbank where you can do meditation, yoga, and sit for few whiles and feel peace. Very beautiful, thorough, relaxing point, Bangaram, Lakshadweep. Very transparent water. You can see the sand, golden sand
below water, and
Golden girl walking.
golden girl is walking on golden sand at Bangaram. Sun rising, and these are view of sun shining, and the sand bank, just water is going lesser and lesser, and this sand will come more and more to see. ये गोल्डन सैंड पर गोल्डन गर्ल की वॉकिंग गोल्डन सन शाइनिंग के साथ Bangaram Island of Lakshadweep gives you a pleasant vibes, and you can feel relaxed on walking at golden sand. These are natural trails after water is retreating. Just imagine. Very transparent water, and this is called sand bank. This is an feature of an island. Anybody can come across to this in Bangaram, Lakshadweep. Taj buggies at helipad. This is helipad at Bangaram, and this is sandbank, and this is sea, and she is driving buggy, enjoying buggy driving. ये शिवलिंग की स्थापना बंगाराम में बीच के किनारे ये बनाए हैं शिवलिंग खुद के साइज जितना। देखिए जितना खुद का साइज है उतने ही साइज के शिवलिंग। ये इसके पीछे छुप सकते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं कि ये छुप गए, पीछे दिखाई भी नहीं देंगे। ये देखिए इतना साइज शिवलिंग का दिया कि वो छुप गए पीछे बिल्कुल। वाह, बहुत ही सुंदर। जिस तरह श्री राम ने रामेश्वरम में शिव जी के शिवलिंग की स्थापना करी थी, उसी तरह बंगाराम में आज संजना कमल ने रामनवमी के दिन विशाल शिवलिंग की स्थापना कर शिव जी को अपनी भक्ति का प्रदर्शन किया है। उन्होंने शिव जी के प्रति, शिव बाबा के प्रति अपनी अटूट आस्था को प्रदर्शित किया है। आज ये है शिव बाबा की अटूट भक्त संजना और कमल, और शिवलिंग पर पूजा करते हुए, शिवलिंग की स्थापना के बाद शिवलिंग की पूजा करते हुए और स्वयं सागर शिवलिंग पर जल चढ़ाने का प्रयास करते हुए, आप देखें किस तरह सागर स्वयं चलकर जल चढ़ा रहे हैं शिव जी पर। ये देखिए शिवलिंग की स्थापना, शिवलिंग पर जल चढ़ाना, और इससे प्रेरित होकर स्वयं सागर भी शिव जी के चरणों में जल लेकर के आ रहे हैं। वो बार बार चढ़ाने का प्रयास, अभी पूरे प्रयास से सागर जल चढ़ाने के लिए समुद्र आतुर।
Sanjana, it's so hot, you know, and I'm wearing this satin dress and I'm walking on the beaches of Lakshadweep. There was this sand bank here which has got submerged, and I'm walking here on the beach, on the seashore.
This is helipad in Bangaram Island, and in front of that is sandbank, now full of water. After 1 or 2 hours it will become, the level of water will decrease and it will be visible as sand.
When I came the other day, then It was a point where the Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, Modi ji, he came himself and he declared to the world that how beautiful Lakshadweep is. So I also went to that point and it was an island. But now it's submerged in water. It was just 2 days back. So the high tide and the low tides. Now I'm just walking across the bank. The idea here is that the water is transparent, absolutely, just like a mirror shining, so clean and clear, crystal clear water.
And we are walking on beach.
Look at the dense forest.
One side is good trees, dense forest you can call. Behind, covered by nariyal
Real
coconut
jungle,
trees.
friends.
And the water is very transparent. You can see this. What
And,
transparent. What beautiful water.
These are real
Wow.
jungles.
And walking on such type of beach is very marvelous.
Look at the jungle.
Very fabulous.
Oh my God, oh my
Experience.
God, oh my God, oh my God. It's real jungle. A man is lost in an island and he's surrounded by the sea. As you can see, there's a sea all around. All around it's a sea, and the man is lost in the island. Woohoo. Hi friends, पानियों पे चींटे उड़ाती हुई लड़की. So there is a sea on both my sides and I am walking on a pointed tail island. So this is sandbank where Narendra Modi ji came. So I love Bharat, that's why I am here in Lakshadweep instead of Maldives. So India is my country and I love India.
Now I would like to describe you the difference. You see the color of the sea. This is blue.
And I'm
That shows the deep. And when you see the color is green, that is surface, not so deep. You can see the transparent water. Very transparent. When the color is green, then you can easily identify this is not so deep. But when the color will become
See,
green,
the
blue, then it will be deep.
beauty
So
is
this is the difference. You can see the joint connecting point. This is a very easily example connecting point, that is blue and green.
the worst part here is that it is a very deep water. I am in the center, again deep water. So deep water on both my sides and I am on like a pyramid shaped land which is right in the center of the sea, and it requires daring. There are people behind me but they are not daring to come here, so I have dared and that's why I have taken the challenge to walk
डर
in
के
the-
आगे जीत है.
face the fear. In very deep sea you can see the color and I'm in the center of
You are at one of the most unique location in the world. That
India.
is Bangaram Lakshadweep Island.
Golden Point
Golden
and a buggy
our
coming here.
point
See,
helipad
say lift. The buggy will give me a lift.
just behind us, a helipad point.
This is the Bangaram Resort, Lakshadweep.
Yes.
So this is the place in Lakshadweep Island. An incredible place in the world. The world can wait.
The world can wait. Obvious.